In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an IKEA credit card payment. To get started, open your web browser and go to the website for your IKEA credit card account or the online portal provided by the card issuer. Once the page loads, click Login and enter your username and password to access your account. Make sure you're on the correct account page before moving forward, especially if the card is managed through a separate financial services website rather than the main IKEA shopping site. After you're signed in, go to your account dashboard. This is usually the main page where you can view your balance, recent activity, and account details. From there, look for the payment section. Depending on the portal, this may be labeled Make a Payment, Pay Bill, or simply Payments. The wording can vary slightly, but the goal is the same: opening the area where you can submit a payment toward your credit card balance. Next, choose your payment method. In most cases, you'll be able to pay directly from a bank account, such as a checking or savings account. Some card issuers may also allow online bill payment through your bank, along with other payment options available on the account. Select the option that works best for you and continue to the payment details screen. Now add or select the payment account you want to use. Then enter the amount you want to pay. After that, choose the payment date. Be careful here, because the date you select can affect whether your payment is considered on time. Once everything is entered, review all of the payment information carefully to make sure the account, amount, and date are correct. When you're ready, click Submit Payment or Confirm Payment. After you send it, wait for the confirmation message to appear. This confirms that the payment request was successfully submitted. It's a good idea to save the payment confirmation number for your records in case you need to reference it later. Once your payment has been submitted, return to your account dashboard and check your recent transactions or payment history. This will help you confirm that the payment has been processed and recorded on your account. Sometimes a payment may show as pending first before it fully posts, so keep that in mind. If you want to make future payments easier, you can also set up automatic payments. Open the auto pay settings, then choose your preferred payment amount, such as the minimum payment, the full statement balance, or a custom amount. After that, choose your bank account and confirm your enrollment. This can be a helpful way to stay on top of payments and avoid missing a due date.